Okay, man. Let's go.
So all the bus schedules are displayed in here. We have a 12:30 though. Nag-change pa siya. We are at the gate 8. Andito yung bus namin. So parang wala pa siya. 12:30 pa kasi naka-schedule. And we're currently here at Store Coffee. We're having a quick breakfast. We are now on the bus. It's being to Donegal. So I have my mask again on kasi may breakout na naman ang boyfriend. Yeah.
And I thought she's heading off Dexter because that's where the brother is. I can't believe she's grown up and really jealous.
We are now here at Donegal City, guys. It's actually just a small city, one of the smallest city here at Ireland. Then we took a bus, like I guess almost 4 hours yung bus going here. It's quite medyo late nga yung bus kasi natagalan yung pag-depart niya. We are currently here now at we just arrived actually. We just settled down here sa room namin. It's a B&B. Ano, I don't know if it's B&B or something. Basta para siyang bahay siya ng couple na matatanda. And I guess they have yung second floor nila is bakante. So inaano niya, parang ang B&B siya, pero sa aguda namin sila nahanap. So, quick room tour tayo kasi maliit lang siya yung room, pero super cozy and malinis siya in fairness. Ang ganda ng suga. Ang suga talaga. Ang ganda ng, ano nila, bulb white. Ito yung mga gusto ko kasi kapag white bulb, maganda yung lighting sa camera. So, room tour tayo. Yung main door nila, guys. From there, katabi na niya yung mirror nila. So, ito pala yung suot ko today. Pag ganyan to siya dito. Pak! Walang cabinet over here. From the door here. Yung cabinet. So, yan. Ito na yung bathroom nila. Lalagyan ng luggage. Yung toilet nila, super linis naman siya. Maliit siya, pero malinis siya. Mirror. Hand wash. O, see? Linis niya. Ang linis niya in fairness. Tapos may ano dito. Paglabas mo dito, ito talaga siya. Ang ganda yung pa-carpet nila dito. Oh. Beside the bed, may dalawang ganito. Yan siya. And then, may isang upuan over here, table. Then, they provide us coffee maker. Not coffee maker. Yung water boiler. Glasses, mugs. And then, coffee and milk. So, this is the bed itself. Yung window namin, super ganda. Facing front. Front siya ng, what do you call this? Front entrance niya. So, ito yung bag namin. See? Doon kami nang galing sa baba. Medyo, paano siya? Patungas. Oh, ang Tagalog ng patungas. Medyo paakyat lang siya ng konti. Yan. So, ito yung entrance niya here. We actually have free breakfast, guys. So, which is thumbs up, diba? Kasi, oh, how much is per night here, Lalin? Check. I'm just gonna put her the per night here kasi, and then malapit siya sa downtown, guys. Like, 10 to 13 minutes lang siya. Malapit siya sa downtown at yung bus terminal nila, yung binabaan namin.
It's funny they have a hole in here.
Yeah?
Because basically see they have like middle water. You know, I'm probably
So, what do you call this, darling? Garlic bread? Garlic.
Yeah.
They have a thin garlic bread, Indian style. And you need to put some sauces with it. You have like onion, garlic, and everything. First dinner here at Donegal, we got wine. And then, of course, because we are here at Indian restaurant, so we got curry. It's a garlic bread. So, kain tayo, guys.
I think you can eat it. It's like a candy.
Ito yung parang main pa-entrance. They have like this. We just bought their water kasi walang, saan ba yung may lighting? We just bought their water kasi walang water again sa aming B&B. We're now going back doon and we're gonna rest and I'm gonna edit my video. It's kinda dark. They should put the light post in here. Our own key from the main door. The same, I think same key from our room door. Yeah. Today's vlog will be all about Donegal City. Let's go! Number 1. Visit the Donegal Castle. Entrance fee is €5. So we just visited the Donegal Castle, guys. Next stop, we're gonna stroll more or walk more around the small city kasi small lang siya, so you can just walk for a day. Goodbye, Donegal Castle. Okay guys, we are now here at the downtown or city center, Donegal. So it's just small, so we have lots of shops in here and we have park also in here. Number 2, Donegal City Square. Restaurants and pubs are located in here. Number 3, take a water bath along the bank. Number 4, have a walk on lower bank all the way to Donegal Bay. From the river bank over there, if you will continue to walk, according to my husband is the guide here. So just follow this green like fences. So it will bring you all the way to something like they call the river bus. Let's see what my husband found. Oh, small door. How cute! So we found more doors. So cute. This one's the yellow one. Like, there's more here. Over there. We are in here actually. And that's where we walk all the way here. I would recommend to eat at Old Castle Bar. They have nice seafood and good craft beers. You should also try the Chowder, guys. It's the best chowder I've tried. When you're in Ireland, a glass of Guinness makes your trip complete. That's all with our Donegal vlog, guys. Tomorrow we're going to head to another small city. It's called Letterkenny. Yeah, our travel vlog will be continued at Letterkenny tomorrow, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and take care, guys. Bye. Hit you with that